How does a reading occur? Reading begins with the eye's perception of written words. As we see the lines, our eyes scan the page from left to right in very short pauses, which we call spasmodic movements, repeated 4 or 5 times a second. When the photons reflected from the words read the retina, the information on the white paper and the black letters is perceived by the neurons in the retina not in its entirety, but as information divided into countless parts, and it is transmitted to the visual centre of the brain. Our vision centre reassembles this information. At this stage, on the one hand, our brain transforms letters into sounds, the phonological way. On the other hand, it determines what words are read by referring to a dictionary in our vocabulary, the lexical way. As a result, letters are perceived as words that have both a specific sound and a specific meaning.